Hi, this is a video tutorial on how to prepare your system to develop Spark-based applications. There are several IDEs to do this, and the simple one you can use just any text editor, for example a Sublime or any other, to write the Spark application. However, then to run the Spark application you would need to download Spark and use Spark submit script to run the application. Another approach is to use a ScalaIDE provided by Eclipse. So then you can write their Scala-based Spark applications and you can run the Spark applications directly from the IDE. Also, you can use Intelia JetBrains IDE that provides a Spark plugin, and there you can write Python or Scala based applications. You can also use a Spark shell that also you can write either on Scala or on the Python language, and you can then run directly the commands in the Spark shell. Or you can use also notebooks like a Jupyter and Zeppelin. These notebooks already provided built-in Spark environment, Spark framework, and usually you can configure there some configurations of of the running the application, and they also provide some simple visualization that can be used to visualize some results in the end. So in our lab sessions we will use a ScalaIDE provided by Eclipse, and we will write a Scala-based application, but you also feel free to use any of these IDEs for the assignments and also in the lab sessions. But in the lab sessions we will use a ScalaIDE. So to install, start the development environment for Spark application, we will need to have or make sure that we have installed Java, and then so for this basically you can check it by going to the terminal console prompt and type Java version just to see if you have installed Java. I have 1.8. If you don't have it, so you need to go to this web page and download it. So you choose the platform which do you have, you download it, it will take some time, and then you just follow the regular instructions of installation. And then after installation, go to the terminal and console and check again so that you have it installed properly. If it still doesn't show up, doesn't send unrecognized command, then you need to set up perhaps a Java home variable environment to have access to it through the terminal console. So next one, we need to download and install ScalaIDE for Eclipse. So we go to download page, and it provides on Windows, Mac and Linux. So you choose which one you need and you just download it. It takes some time. Meanwhile, we would need to use also to install a Maven, because we will use a Maven project to set up Apache Spark in our application. And for doing it, we also need to go to the Maven page and download it. Simply to install it, very easy. Just to download it, we need to have a binary zip archive for Windows and Mac, and for the Linux it's this archive. To install it, basically you just downloaded it, and you need to provide you unzip the folder, you move it to some other place, and you provide the m2 home variable with the path to the bin folder. The more instructions have to do this for all different operation system, Windows, Linux or Mac, you can find in this link. So first you would need also to make sure that you have Java home environment variable, and how to install it, to set up it, you can follow these instructions. This is you should do it in the console, in the prompt, in the terminal. And then we do download Maven archive, we extract it, and then we need to set up the Maven to home or Maven to environment variable. That's it for this tutorial. And after you install Maven Java, you need to type it and check if it's installed properly. So you need to see here the Maven version as I see, and also same for Java. So for this tutorial, that's all, and in the next tutorial we will use ScalaIDE to create the Maven project and set up the Apache Spark, write a simple Spark application, and we'll run it, execute the Spark application. That's all.